Welcome to English Myths Explained, because some of the most common rules in English and English education were invented, exaggerated, or simply wrong. Let's get into it.
This is the apostrophe confusion that affects even very proficient English writers. The rule is simple. It's with an apostrophe means it is or it has. It's without an apostrophe is the possessive. Most people know this rule but still make the mistake. Today we explain not just what the rule is, but why it exists. Most people who make the mistake already know this rule. They make the mistake anyway, particularly when writing quickly or when the possessive feels like it should have an apostrophe, because nouns take apostrophes for possession. That feeling is where the confusion comes from, and understanding why it is wrong eliminates it permanently. Here is what almost nobody is ever told. It does not follow the rule for possessive nouns. It follows the rule for possessive pronouns. His, hers, theirs, ours, yours. None of these take an apostrophe. They are possessive pronouns, and possessive pronouns in English never take apostrophes. Its is a possessive pronoun in exactly the same category as his and hers. It belongs to the pronoun class, not the noun class. The confusion arises because the word it looks like a noun and people apply the noun possessive rule to it. But it is a pronoun and pronouns possess without apostrophes. Once you understand that its is a possessive pronoun like his and hers, the test becomes obvious. Replace its with his or hers. If the sentence still makes sense, no apostrophe. The cat licked its paw. The cat licked his paw. Make sense? No apostrophe. If you want to test whether its is correct, replace it with it is or it has. For example, change it's raining to it is raining. These two substitution tests, once learned, eliminate the confusion permanently because they connect the rule to a principle rather than an arbitrary exception. The mistake persists because English possessive nouns do take apostrophes. For example, the cat's paw or the company's report. The rule for nouns is apostrophe s for possession. When people write quickly, they apply this rule to it automatically, producing its where its is needed. The fix is not to try harder to remember the exception. The fix is to internalize that it is a pronoun, not a noun, and pronouns never take apostrophes for possession. The apostrophe in its marks the missing letter in the contraction, not possession. Its with apostrophe means it is or it has. The apostrophe marks a missing letter. Its without apostrophe is possessive and follows the pattern of his, hers, theirs, ours. Possessive pronouns never take apostrophes in English. The confusion exists because it looks like a noun and people apply the noun possessive rule. Replace with his or hers to test the possessive. Replace with it is to test the contraction. 19 Myths Explained. Subscribe to Fluent Daily for more.